Top girl Shaniel Muir and Good Good Productions have parted ways after 17 months. And Spice is Grammy nominated and is expecting a new addition to her family.
Who is that Barbie?
It's me.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, me just want to send a shout out to all the Grammy nominees for the reggae category for Grammy 2022, right? Including Spice. So, congratulations to Spice. Also, Sean Paul, Itzana, and Gramps Morgan, Jesse Royal, and there's one more person. There's So Alive. I think they're Jamaican, so that's why I don't remember. You see what I say? But if I know so it go, you know, correct me down in the comment section, right? But people, let's talk about Shaniel Muir for a little bit, right? So it look like Shaniel Muir, look like Shaniel Muir and Good Productions. You know, the era is over. That's how them I say it, so that's how me I say it. So it look like them just decide to do them own thing. Shaniel Muir launch her Top Girl Entertainment, and she just started like today basically, because yesterday the page bill, and then today she have a post. She even get a little thing from Jada Kingdom. It's just, you know what I mean, she just has start her own thing. But I go show you what them put out in the press release. You see me, I say both of them for sure say yeah, one really no bad vibes thing. So I go show you that later. But before that, let's get to Spice having a new addition to the family. Yeah, me I say it that way there because, you know what I mean, I want to keep it in a suspense. But people, yeah, Spice's sister is having a baby, and she posted on her Instagram. She have a little clip where she posts, so I'm going to show you that. So without any further ado, take a look at this. Here goes.
Look where you make me a cry. Mama. Let me come back now.
I don't know about the comments.
That's a goat you want to probably want some oatmeal. Yeah, slit, bro.
Touch our big sister. Touch our.
Watch them.
What's your phone?
Me see enough art for surprise, and that's a call dog before. Me say she just a call me. Surprise!
Yeah, people, so we hear Spice surprise our sister, right? But we don't really know what's going on. But she explained in the caption, and this is what she said. My little sister at Phineas Hamilton is expecting her first child with Dre Ellie Rich Forever, and I told her I was extremely busy and couldn't make it to Jamaica. She had a photo shoot in the garden, and I secretly rented out another section, same place, and planned a baby shower and a gender reveal for her. And this is what happened when she saw me. Thanks, Janelle and Rotan, who's guessing what baby we're having, right? So, if we don't want to guess the gender, down in the comment section, we know find out later on. And if me see it, we make you know as well. But we know Spice love her sister, them very close. You see me? I know Spice have other siblings. She have a brother, and I'm not sure how much more sister or brother she have. But, you know what I mean, as she and that one I will always see. As she and that one, you know what I mean? She always talk about that one. You see me? So, we know say them very close, so she always like support her sister. So big up Spice. And congratulations to Phineas and Dre Ellie, you know what I mean, on them pregnancy. So we don't know the thing go people. So we're gonna talk about the top girl Shaniel Muir again. Like me say, me go show you where both parties post. And when me say that, me talk about, of course, Good Productions and Shaniel Muir herself, right? So we're going to get right into that, people.
Yay! Hey sweeties, it's your girl Jada Kingdom aka Twinkle, representing for Top Girl Entertainment. Shaniel Muir, big up yourself straight. Remember you say, anything you wear you buy that, no walk and borrow girl clothes.
Yes, so first we see Good Production post and them said this document serve as a formal notice that after 17 months of working together, Good Production and dancehall artist Shaniel Muir have decided to part ways. The end of said musical partnership will come into effect on November 27, 2021. Good Production will like to make it abundantly clear that this decision, though not the easiest, was the best for both parties at this time. Over the last year and a half, we as a label have learned so many invaluable lessons from the partnership with Miss Muir and believe this amicable separation will enable us to preserve the relationship we have built with the artist personally and professionally. Outside of the music, Miss Muir is equally as pleasant as she is in a professional capacity, and as such, we wish her the absolute best in all her future endeavors. Moving forward, anyone interested in doing business with Shaniel Muir should do so via shanielmuirmusic@gmail.com. We remain true supporters of Shaniel Muir and the Top Gal movement as we believe she is an extraordinary talent with a great future ahead of her. Good Productions would also like to use this opportunity to inform the masses that as far as artist management and music production are concerned, it's business as usual for the label. We will continue to work with the artists still signed to the label as we carry on our musical mission of adding to the development of the local music industry. We had an amazing run with everyone. Your individual and collective inputs are greatly appreciated. Thank you for your contribution to the Top Gal and Good Production era. Sincerely, Good Production. So people know that sound, right? Them said they learn a lot from working with Shaniel Muir, and it was a good time, right? I'm also posting the caption and them tag everybody, you know, the DJ, the makeup artist, and everybody who did work on the Top Gal team while she was with Good, right? So Shaniel Muir post also, and basically at the same thing, but from her, right? So this is what she said. She said, my journey with Good Production has been nothing short of love, passion, and hard work. I am forever grateful that I could be a part of such patient, willing, and capable team. Our decision was far from easy, but our musical partnership definitely does not end here. I see more success for Good Production and great outcome, and I wish nothing less. We are more than a team. We are family. Thank you for 17 exceptional months. Best wishes, Top Gal. So people, with that being said, from both parties, we can see say clearly them just couldn't reach whatever agreement it is for the artist and the label. So them decide. Maybe it's just the fact that Shaniel Muir want to start Top Gal Entertainment and it just coincide with she being at Good. Maybe I just that. One time we check when I first see the comments them over Good page, I see people that talk about like why artists want to leave as soon as they get big and that. That's before Shaniel Muir the post and thing, you see me? But majority of the comment them I say what me I say, them understand from what both people that say like it's nothing, no bad vibes. At least the way them present it, it's no bad vibes, so we can clearly see that. Now we don't know what really going, you know, so all of me are telling you the speculation, but the way them present it, I say again, it's no bad vibes, right? Shaniel Muir do our own thing, Top Gal Entertainment. Soon we might see her have our own artist, and so we don't know, you see me? Because it's a label. So people, more I want to go follow Shaniel Muir Top Gal Entertainment page, you see me? Because we have to help our bill. The real fans, them, if you were a real Top Gal fan from morning, this is the opportunity to shine through and support the artist even more. You know what I mean? Make sure I go follow already and over there comment and all. So people just do that for you, see what me I say. So people big up on yourself, you see me, Spice nominated for Grammy. Now I could have put that video there in a disc because it don't make it too long, but however I did post the live by itself and I could put the link to it so you can see it. But I know I want to see it about because everybody I got post that, right? So people, again, thank you for watching. Tell me what you think about Spice surprising her sister at the gender reveal. What you think what gender it is, right? And other than that, stay safe out there. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.